Hi everybody, here's a synopsis of week 2 in guitar class. We're going to start with the 12 bar blues. Before we do that, let's do a set of 10. Make your E7. Your E7. Second finger up on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th string. First finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. And there's your E7. How's that sound? Then A7. Move your second finger over one string, pick him up a little bit, skip a string, and put your 3rd finger down on the 2nd string. There's your A7. Let's go back and forth 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that going. Let's try E7 to B7. I know I didn't give enough time for all 10, but you can practice that on your own. E7 to B7. Remember, the 2nd finger doesn't move. It's a pivot finger. 1st finger goes over a string. You make a triangle with the 3rd finger. 4th finger goes on the 1st string back behind the 2nd fret. Don't play the 6th string. We don't want to hear that. Go back and forth from E7 to B7. Remember, the 2nd finger doesn't move. Move over with your 1st finger, make a triangle, put your pinky down. Back to E7. Back and forth. Let's try the 12 bar blues on the bottom of page 13. Pretty slow. Ready, go. E7. 4 more. A7. 4 more. E7. 4 more. B7. A7. E7, B7, 1 E7. Okay, the other thing we did was we did some melody with index and middle fingers, plucking one string at a time. We make a thumbs up with your right hand, stick it parallel to your strings, put your index finger at the edge of the sound hole on the 1st string. Push into the 2nd string, do some of those. Come to rest on the 2nd string. Try your middle finger. Alternate your fingers, index, middle. That's the way I want you to do it. Alternate your fingers. Leave one down on the string while the other gets ready to go. Try 2nd string. And keep your thumb out, away from your fingers. 3rd string. Back to 2nd string. And 1st string. Come to rest against the next string. That's a rest stroke. Good. We do rest strokes when we play melody because it makes the string vibrate in and out more, makes more sound and a better tone than a free stroke, which if you pull your finger up away from the strings, that's a free stroke. Your fingertip stays free. It's just not as loud. And it's not as rich in tone. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is the pentatonic scale. We're going to do those rest strokes. On page 8, you do 8 on a string and back. What we do with the pentatonic scale is duckbill, Thumbs flat on the back, in the middle of the neck. Pick your fingers up and point them down. Put your fourth finger close to the third fret on the first string. We'll play 4 of those. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then lift up a little bit, play 4 opens. 4 on the second string, third fret. 4 opens. I'm walking with my fingers. Third string, second finger on the second fret. Do 4 of those. And 4 opens. Keep your thumb out. Same thing on the fourth string, second fret. Open. Fifth string, second fret. The sixth string, you can't come to rest on anything. It's the third finger on the third fret. 4 of those. And open. And if you can do those things, that's the pentatonic scale. I think it's on page 12 and also on page 10. And so if you can do that, you should be ready for class. We'll see you soon.